Assalamu alaikum. We are supposed to start the sixth lecture of this periodic classification of elements, and our sixth lecture is about merits of modern periodic table. Advantages or merits of modern periodic table. The first and foremost merit is the modern periodic table is based on atomic number of elements, which is the most fundamental property of elements. So modern periodic table takes into account the atomic numbers of the elements. Second is the modern periodic table helps us understand why elements in a group show similar properties, but elements in different groups show different properties. So because we already know that when the elements are arranged in the form of groups and periods, they are observed in the same group. What happens? Elements with same valence electrons or valence electrons are put in the same group. That results into same chemical properties, and while in different groups they have different valence electrons, so because of that they have different properties. Third, there are no anomalies in the arrangement of elements in the modern periodic table. So there are no anomalies in the arrangement of elements in the modern periodic table. Now, then we move on and we talk about characteristics of periods and groups. So let us start the characteristics of periods. First thing we talk about, it's called valence electrons. In case of valence electrons, on moving from left to right in a period, the number of valence electrons in elements increases from 1 to 8. So when we move in a period, the valence electrons increases from 1 to 8. That means first group will have 1 valence, second will have 2, so on and so forth. Second is valency. On moving from left to right in each short period, the valency increases from 1 to 4 and then decreases to 0. Valency increases from 1 to 4 and then decreases to 0. That is 1 to 4, then 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. In this way, we talk about the characteristics of period.